Why did Shopify and dropshipping end up being one of my worst, but yet really good business ventures that I got into? What's up guys, my name is Serge. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't yet, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell so that YouTube lets you guys know every time I upload a video, which I'm doing daily right now. So go ahead, give this video a thumbs up just because of that, just because I'm uploading daily. I mean, it's a lot of work guys, but just go ahead. I don't care, I'm doing it for you guys to be able to inspire you guys, and you guys inspire me. So go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. So what is Shopify? Shopify is a Canadian e-commerce company that allows you to sell everything online, on social media, and even in person. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is the supply chain management in which the retailer does not keep goods in stock, but instead transfers the customer order and shipment details to either the manufacturer, the retailer, or a wholesaler, who then ships the goods to the customer. That is what dropshipping is. So customer puts in the order, you as the retailer you don't have any of the inventory, so all you do is plug in the shipment details to whoever is your supplier, your manufacturer, whoever it is, and then they ship directly to your customer. My story behind dropshipping and Shopify started about a year and a half ago, and when I purchased the template or the website and the domain name for my dropshipping business, I didn't know what I was going to do with it. I just remember the name of the domain, and the website was named Woods. That's what the guy who had created this template on Shopify named it. He just named it Woods. And so I remember just looking at the website and I'm like, what am I gonna do with this, right? And so I had to get a little creative. And so that's when the whole concept of dropshipping for me kind of got introduced. I remember just going on YouTube and watching tons and tons of videos on dropshipping and private label and all these crazy ideas, and I felt like, oh my goodness, I just made it. Like, nobody knows about this that I know. I'm gonna start it. And so I went ahead and started just doing a ton of research and finding my suppliers. And so from there I realized, wow, I should probably do something with wooden products. And so that's when I saw the opportunity to start a private label company. And so I called it Woods Accessories. And so these were just wooden watches that I started out with. After seeing the name and the domain Woods, I saw an opportunity that I should just start wood accessories. And so I went ahead and started my own private label and everything called Woods Accessories. And so that's when I started plugging in everything and creating my brand, so like my logo and everything. And I was kind of in over my head a little bit starting all this because I didn't have any type of experience in any of this. I didn't know how to contact the supplier. I didn't know what to say to the supplier. I didn't know how to negotiate. I didn't know any of it, but I just started because I was like, wow, this is great. And as an entrepreneur at the time, I was like, why not? I'm gonna do it. And so I started drop shipping the wooden watches. And so at that point, it was just costing me so much money to even drop ship the watches, because like I said, drop shipping is where me as the retailer would have to contact, every time an order was put in through the store, I would contact a wholesaler or my supplier, and that was what was costing me, is because they were only drop shipping one watch per order, because that's what most people would just buy, one watch. And so that was costing me a lot, because the shipping of that watch was what was costing me a lot, and the fact that I was doing private label and putting my own logo on there as well was also costing me a lot. So I realized pretty quickly that my profit margins were just terrible. They were just they weren't where I wanted them to be. And so I had to kind of stop for a minute and recalculate everything and reevaluate, how can I make my profit margins a little more. So at that point, even though my store was making sales, I wasn't really making much money in reality. In the long run, I wasn't gonna make a lot of money just drop shipping these watches. So I had to really consider my best option. And so just like if you go to Costco or you go to Sam's Club or you go to one of these bigger places, you can buy in bulk for a lot cheaper, right? So the same concept worked for even with my suppliers, but they had a minimum order quantity, also known as MOQ, where you can only purchase X amount of things before they can put your label on it. And so that was kind of hard because I didn't have the capital to really start something like that, to buy so much in bulk, to be able to have, because it was going to increase my profit margins by, you know, double or triple. So I knew it was a good idea, but I just didn't have the capital. So fortunately, I had somebody loan me some money to be able to buy this in bulk, and that costed me quite a bit to buy a specific watch and sunglasses in bulk. So I ordered a specific style and kind of wanted to do like a combo bundle pack with the sunglasses and the watches. So I went ahead, got the products in, and started right away to get the product content. After I got all the product shots, I realized pretty quickly I was in my 3rd semester, or going into my 4th semester of nursing school, and I was going through a lot of personal changes in my life at the time. And so I decided to go ahead and close down the store and focus on just finishing my last semester of nursing school and focus on myself and my relationship with God. And so I went ahead and closed it all down and until I got everything done, and kind of took a step back to really find myself and really find what I wanted to do. I have to say that a lot of the things that I utilized in that business, I still utilize in my current businesses. Everything from the marketing to the accounting to just getting my businesses started, I utilize it a lot. So I can't say that it didn't pay off for me, because there were a lot of lessons that I learned and a lot of things that I wouldn't have learned if I didn't start it. So guys, don't be afraid of failure. Just go ahead and start, and like I mentioned before, you'll figure it out along the way, but make sure to properly kind of consider everything and making sure not to over or underestimate what it actually could cost, because a lot of, you know, that's something that I didn't consider. So yeah, don't be afraid of failure, guys. And even if it doesn't go your way, you're gonna learn a lot of lessons, like I mentioned before. So guys, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. God bless. Bye.